Okay, what I want to do, if possible, today is, as you can see, there's not much room in my carport here, and I like to get out and do a bit of woodwork, but it is winter time and it's a bit cold, windy and stuff, and I have not much protection through here. The wind comes through straight through here, through the back and out in through this gap here. So what I want to do, there's my calipers, what I'd like to do is, if possible, because I want to be able to come outside and do some more woodwork and stuff, and finish off some projects like that coffee table there and my table saw top here that I've done a couple of coats on, nice and shiny. But it's too damn cold, so I think I might move that garden shed outside, which will be fine because I think they're designed to go outside. Yeah, amongst other things, and build, you can't see it, hang on, behind that shed between the two brick pillars, build a wall and clad it on the outside, and then make a workbench on the inside, and maybe do the same between those two pillars. Build a stub wall and clad it to stop the weather from coming through. Anywho, I'll see, first step I suppose is to move that shed, but it's chockers, so we'll see how we go. See you soon. Ages ago I put a light inside the shed, right, to disconnect the roof of the shed to feed the plug through, so I have to do that first before I do anything. Right, I can't get that roof up until I get the screw out right behind there. It's just on that ripple there, but to do that I have to move the shed a bit, but as you can see she's chockers, so I'll have to, there's a light in the corner, I don't know whether you can see that or not, but I've got to get that out. I'll have to empty this out first. Okay. Alright, all this stuff come out of that shed. As you can see, I should have a garage sale. Yeah, I sort of hoard a bit of stuff, but it's all out now, so that's good. All that stuff there, unbelievable. Now the shed is empty. This only took 10 minutes, so it wasn't too bad. But there's the, oh, there's the light I want to get out. Okay, next step. Oops, daisies. As you can see, that was the problem that I did have, or have, but I've just taken that screw out to enable me to push that through there, and we should be right. and 5. This purely for a laugh. This whole end is slightly high, so I could probably just chuck a couple bits of tin under there. Let's see. Away the camera. Roughage. That levels it up right. So what I'll do here is I'll just chuck it under there to see what I need is 20mm, 22mm. I'll put a whole length of, I don't know, something under there that might last a bit, treated pine or something. And there's a bit over there I think. So yeah, just to get level, be nice. Alright. So I've left a gap there. I'll show you why in a sec. But that's where the shed was. And you can see that creates a lot more room. It probably doesn't look like much through the camera, but yeah, there's like nearly 3 metres across there. So my plan is to put a wall all the way across in that gap, clear the other side so the weather stays out, and yeah, because it all comes from that side. It gets a bit wet in here sometimes. But first I think I'll sweep that up. That's a bit of timber I'll cut down and put underneath the edge of the shed. That's treated pine. I'll get, you know, 6-7 years out of that probably, just sitting on dirt. And then I will start putting some stuff back into the shed just in case it rains, because there's a bit of stuff out there. Alright, we'll be back. What do we need there? Do it. 90. 90. Pencil. There we go. Get us out of trouble. Bang. Okay. Now I'll sweep up. Okay. Alright, it's in. It's nice. It's rough, but oh, it's a shed. Who cares? And it's pretty good. Rough enough. Inside. Outside. It's only got to hold tools. It's only storage, so okay. Pull that back in. It's easy getting it out. Oh, should be right. I'm going to put the shelf back in first. Let's do that now. Now, somehow, I don't know how, but all that stuff that came out of the shed, except for a couple of items on there, which is bugger all, has managed to fit back in there even better than what it came out. So I'm pretty happy with that. There's still a bit of room, not too much, but there's a little bit there to put some other crap in there. And then the router table will go back into there, so it's easy to get in and out. Right, so that's pretty good. Still got to find somewhere for the tarps. Don't know where I'm going to put those. I might be able to build a shelf, maybe, I don't know, up the top there. Put them up there somehow. Anywho, that's good. I think the trailer will fit through this gap here, which is good. It will, because I measured it actually, so it definitely will. It'll fit through that gap, and I'll just put it somewhere down the back, and that'll open up this area a bit more. Alright, back soon. So we're giving it a bit of a sweep up. It's come up pretty good. It's not too bad. What I'll have to do, I'll move that table there. I've got to get rid of that eventually. I'll move these rocks here. I'll take down this shade cloth. Not yet, but I will. And then we'll do a little frame across there. But my problem is I don't have any cladding for the outside of it. So if anyone knows where I can get some cladding for about 3 metres by 3 metres. Doesn't matter if it's second hand. Let us know. Tell us, please, in the comments. Yeah, so next step is, I'm not going to take that down until I get some timber to do the frame. But I can actually do the frame as it is now, so I might look at maybe doing that soon. But I think this is the end of the video for the time being, and I might make another one for the next part. Okay, cheers. I thought I had heaps of room in the shed, but then I forgot about all this stuff here on the back of the ute. So now I've got to make room for that as well. Alright, let's go and do that.